Hello and welcome to BNB class. नमस्ते स्वागत छ तपाईलाई BNB क्लासमा. Learn English Speaking Part 1. अंग्रेजी बोल्न सिकौं भाग 1. आउनुहोस् अंग्रेजी सिकौं. Come, let's learn English. Let's start. सुरु गरौं. Repeat with me. मसँगै दोहोर्याउनुहोस्. How are you? How are you? तपाईले कस्तो छ? How are you? What's up? What's up? के छ हजुर? What's up? How are you doing? How are you doing? तपाईको कस्तो चल्दैछ? How are you doing? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? सबै थोक ठीक छ? सबै थोक ठीक छ? Is everything okay? Have a nice day. Have a nice day. तपाईको दिन राम्रो होस्. Have a nice day. Have a nice trip. Have a nice trip. तपाईको यात्रा राम्रो होस्. Have a nice trip. Safe journey. Safe journey. तपाईको यात्रा सुरक्षित रहोस्. Safe journey. What's the date today? What's the date today? आज कति मिति हो? What's the date today? What day is today? What day is today? आज कुन दिन हो वा आज कुन बार हो? What day is today? What time is it now? What time is it now? अहिले कति बजेको छ? What time is it now? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. म क्षमा प्रार्थी छु. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. त्यो कुरा सुन्दा मलाई दुःख लाग्यो. I'm sorry to hear that. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. मलाई माफ गरिदिनुहोस्. Please forgive me. I'm sorry I'm late. I'm sorry I'm late. म ढिलो भएकोमा क्षमा प्रार्थी छु. I'm sorry I'm late. I got caught up in a traffic jam. I got caught up in a traffic jam. म ट्राफिक जाममा फसे. I got caught up in a traffic jam. I was busy. I was busy. म व्यस्त थिएँ. I was busy. अब यसलाई जोडेर हेरौँ. I'm sorry I'm late. I was busy. I'm sorry I'm late. I was busy. म ढिलो भएकोमा क्षमा प्रार्थी छु. म व्यस्त थिएँ. अर्को हेर्दा I'm sorry I'm late. I got caught up in a traffic jam. I'm sorry I'm late. I got caught up in a traffic jam. म ढिलो भएकोमा क्षमा प्रार्थी छु. म ट्राफिक जाममा फसे. You are watching B&B Class YouTube channel, your place for learning. Please subscribe. तपाईं B&B Class YouTube channel हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ. तपाईको सिकाइको ठाउँ. कृपया सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला। I'm not feeling well. मलाई सन्चो छैन। I'm not feeling well. मलाई सन्चो छैन। I'm not feeling well. Are you sick? Are you sick? के तपाईं बिरामी हुनुहुन्छ? Are you sick? Yes, I have a fever. Yes, I have a fever. हो, मलाई ज्वरो आएको छ। Yes, I have a fever. I'm feeling much better now. I'm feeling much better now. मलाई अहिले धेरै सन्चो छ। I'm feeling much better now. Thank you for asking. Thank you for asking. सोध्नु भएकोमा तपाईले धन्यवाद। Thank you for asking. Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? के तपाईं मसँगै आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ? Are you coming with me? Thank you. धन्यवाद। Thank you. धन्यवाद। Thank you. Don't forget to like and share our video. हाम्रो भिडियो हेर्न र शेयर गर्न नबिर्सनुहोला। Click here to subscribe. दिएको ठाउँमा क्लिक गरी सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोस्। Keep learning with BNB class. BNB class सँग सिक्दै र पढ्दै जाउँ। Thank you. धन्यवाद। हाम्रो पार्ट 2 हेर्न कृपया हाम्रो च्यानल पुनः भिजिट गर्नुहोला। Please visit our channel to watch part 2 and keep learning English with BNB class. Thank you.